Is someone trying to steal your precious Animal Crossing villagers? Let's slam the vault door shut on those digital bandits by setting up two-factor authentication, or 2FA, on your Nintendo account. First things first, grab your phone or computer and head over to Accounts Nintendo login using your usual email address and password. Once you're logged in, scroll down until you spot the Sign In and Security Settings option. Give that a click. Now look for two-step verification settings and select it. If it says not set up, then you're in the right place. Click the big, inviting Start to Step Verification button. Nintendo will send a verification code to your email address. Go grab that code and enter it on the website. Here comes the fun part. Nintendo will recommend using an Authenticator app. These apps generate unique, time-sensitive codes for extra security. Popular choices include Google Authenticator and Authy. Download one on your smartphone. Open your chosen Authenticator app and scan the QR code displayed on the Nintendo website. The app will then start generating those magical security codes. Nintendo will then give you a list of backup codes. Treat these like gold. Write them down and store them in a safe place. You'll need these if you ever lose access to your Authenticator app. Once you've saved your backup codes, confirm that you've done so on the website, and boom! You've activated 2FA on your Nintendo account. Now you can game with peace of mind, knowing your account is extra secure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Nintendo tips and tricks.